Ever wondered how to elevate your cooking with fresh herbs? Today, we unravel the secrets of growing and using the top 5 herbs that promise to take your culinary skills to the next level. We'll explore basil, rosemary, cilantro, chives, and parsley. Let's start our countdown with a classic favorite, basil. At number 5, we have the fragrant and versatile basil. This herb thrives in sunny conditions with well-drained soil. Its aromatic leaves are a culinary delight, enhancing a variety of dishes. From pesto to caprese salads, basil infuses your dishes with a unique flavor profile. Up next at number 4 is rosemary, a herb known for resilience and robust flavors. Cultivating rosemary is a joy, given its hardy nature and aromatic needles. Its robust flavors enhance a variety of dishes, adding a savory touch. Rosemary's aromatic needles bring an earthy note to your roasted meats, veggies, and bread. Number 3 on our list is cilantro, a herb that adds a vibrant burst to your cooking. This zesty herb is easy to grow, thriving in well-drained soil and full sun. It's a star in salsas, curries, and more. Cilantro's vibrant flavor enhances a variety of dishes, ensuring a continuous supply of freshness. At number 2, we explore the delicate charm of chives. Cultivating chives is a breeze, and their mild onion flavor adds a touch of elegance to everyday dishes. From salads to soups and dips, chives offer a steady stream of culinary elegance, bringing a touch of freshness to your dishes. Finally, at number 1, we have parsley, a staple in kitchens worldwide. This bright, herbaceous plant is easy to grow and comes in 2 popular varieties, curly leaf and flat leaf. Whether you're garnishing a dish or infusing a sauce, parsley is a versatile powerhouse that brings a fresh, vibrant flavor to a myriad of dishes. And the best part? Growing parsley at home ensures you always have its crisp, clean flavor at your fingertips. Parsley's bright and herbaceous flavor makes it a must-have in your herb garden. Cultivate these herbs and bring the joy of freshness and flavor to your culinary endeavors.